this year ne blacklist here enti busa ho say dia na Ghana air cost wa under Nekofo-Addo aban under Bawumia under Kenofurata mo jimu hu di some mo the so called economic management team mo ya Ghana here near the Ghana ya blacklist here call the kind of European Commission blacklist here to money laundering. Why?
Well, yeah, sebe see when I draw so person me dey wait at was
okay.
Mr. Mama Ayarega ne say see I say why special prosecutor allege say there are issues with tax evasion and procurement of some ambulances. These two cases, you are filing in court relating to the procurement of ambulances for his constituency, any tax evasion. In your view, if there, Mr. Ayarega, we committed crime, and I feel so or dodgy tax. Now I understand that many commentators. So I mean, before the program contacted me, said they want to know if there are any differences between the chairman of the MPP, Freddie Blaze, procurement of 275 buses for his party, and the tax evasion of Mr. Ayarega. What is your own view about first about Mr. Yes, Ayarega, and then who we are, then Freddie Blaze? So
that's it. Mr. Ayarega cast because it was 4-wheel drive too, and Sana. Ambulances to do on Kasane constituency. Me the mechanic say Ghana yomra. So who be the tax here? Na say no question why be the tax here. E the court. Na court na charge you. Me to me na video so kazen kan say Ayarega or committed crime because I feel the case na court. To court no nyemu na 70 me can say oh that is why committed crime is on committed crime. To say in special prosecutor in the first case for the akono. Okay, say free and Ebana speaker say there are some laws be our constitution must say MP na say you do court almost see it mean because we are any court proceeding in parliamentary proceeding Asia. There's not laws when say okay almost say say obi a we witness. But me who say yankasa minority leader e could talk about 2 or 3 constitution yankasa chapters no. Into no ahono the bet say case na court na ye my Ayarega case no they can say me Ghana ni say me very tax ya e chese ma to Ghana mra nti say o de me court ara say be charge me ana say metua mo ho a na court no so na be say Mahama Ayarega nyima o ye no mra kwan so no nyema kwan so if you say there are some laws where MPs ni minim se bi omo was some exemption because of the name of kraba nyina na e se ono an personal cars na what kind of report na omo
say oh e ba say any exemptions what do you think should happen?
Oh, me to me preempt because of the in the case na court special prosecutor and the na commat me do
but we know as say see enya clear policy o chrome say why be invading tax no this is the punishment for you.
I think there's a laws so we be tax here there are some punishment internet na court no nti yema court no enhwe say ye be punish na na say yem punish no because of say ono so no won kwan afa so here do import cars no because o say me tuai tax ni me tuai but according to case here the court almost won tuai ni nyina anye say won tuai kra he paid. Okay. But ojina mrano so say mrano there are some enemy bi o ha ojina mrano so no tuya but according to sa case here almost say why very because when tuya taxes ni nyina enti yan hwe ne me because for this case because a test case for special prosecutor ena untimi kan yan so ordinary court ni say ka kubu ano for there bi ono so lawyers ena special prosecutor ono so on team a ordinary continue once ordinary kono yan hwe judges and lawyers and some be simple I cannot judge Mahama Ayarega say what di bone na woni bone but there are some laws such as say so we are Ghana na the name ba and I say internal say so we very tax ya emra no e ma ebu for na o kan for the blade there no unim say for the blade 275 buses na em say Toyota Hiace a o de buy no also the $3 million in the chance here. To see our Papa Nankasa Osai, GMPC, board chairman. Question says, Scanonian, then will be report no coach Raj. Menuka say, when you Mr. Freddie Blair 3 times from Strach. Or sending some kind of letter. I'm not sure I say a letter not come out secretary of the amount. Or sending some kind. So a very complex case. So as a one person, as a board chairman of GMPC, it me crack 275 buses set because of person or a chairman. Uni moya campaign or say buses and so to me we near or be chairman or the coincidence while we near where doing in our back. Tano kind. Now dear who say Sakula. Onwa kachere says our buses no. Say utimi we know the bar obe chama coincidence no. No one kasa de here adwuma e bi atua buses ne katini yo. And buses ne buy yi free tema no. Yeah the buses no 275 no akoma State Transport Corporation as a company STC. And na komia the former MPP communication director and CEO. So omo na manage sa buses no. Mr. Kula bit me sir. Where government you as a party chairman no. Bus na okraba also dey my constituency no. You see former STC no manage. It says oh bus na e be compete with the STC John Domani Mama River Viansa na ofra ban mo. So which is which? Sikanso beba from sa bus na wakra no. Enko STC. Ho account na ebeko extra account mu ana. Anasa beko constituency no. Omo mini me bi na Ghana fo hu. Mr. Mutakula,
you feel that there is a conflict of interest?
Oh, yes.
In what way?
On one kasa party chairman or GMBC board chairman, ni ran kasa say ambassador. I think Mr. to Germany me boa. Now one kasa wa crabas no. Shirad for invite you say for document bra na be chechirem eno so akoye buachi bidin. Mr. Mutakula, conflict of interest ni there. Enya me na meka. Shiraj na kasa be chechirem on for document ni nko. And a jatwo Mahama Yarga
Nipa na anko sisi die na SSC sisi e fere no anko no
yes
anko
Mr. Shira first had this report na say almost had a come Yoko and I see adi nti ye hwe my friend na Bima because so your party chair and the party na power ntino or the party number power you can do whatever you want but party ning power for 100 years ago and really beso there how many say buses na ye dia come STC no na ha me Mr. Kula and they have me because they govern a transport STC Nana Komia former communication director and CEO STC so I don't think that buses are one kasa individual one kasa or the coincidence no near come STC Sekula why e dey na koso Ghana
yeah that was
it has Sekula
Isa yeah repeat the question and answer where there
question they say what the kind about there was some reversal kakrebi na maybe car assembly and when I'm in TRC or Samna or Kase, the Edica tackle they for electricity, no, lady are yes, me person who say, or say Mahama and a ma, the friend is saying, doom so call it as son of Obi
yeah,
yes, sir,
yeah, okay, sir,
and your friend is saying, or crap power bags. Is that the first time I hear crap power backs now? Because money you before His Excellency President John Ajekum before time. The plants, power plants buy. What am I saying? And say Mona Mube fire. Mona Mube fire, Motoma, your friend say, Sierra Leone for mobile power now, must say a ghost.
Are you talking about generators na Mokraba nana?
Say we see generators, na in your power plants. What are you talking about?
Some smoke generators. I go one fire away.
Akoso. O kasa nyina man kasa. Metahadi na metie.
Okay, metie.
Na me kama se. Ntiefo ne na yeden. Me kai o madwene. Asama wo ka de fa ho say, momo de your friends a power plant de buy. Yen yi power plant ne free ho. Na yi free ho ma say dum so emma Ghana biem. Yes, I know. Can yes, and I may person me will say, some now what took to Ghana for any no. I what a Huruhara sem now in the sense say, me won't mean for Ghana can conquer a debi, and Bambi see ho. Now you buy a see a year free ho. in the sense say e Ghana sika enye wo sika wo nye NDC sika what they say e Ghana fu sika what you must say e na wo de saa de be si ho whether e boa wo emboa wo ye pese Ghana fu hu adikudia na ema power no emba no because na enye plants asem na eye sika ye de top fuel any gas ye de be power the plants are na e wo ho dada no what you must say that was the cause of the whole thing what you must say enti me pese atiefo enhu sebe futu a sebe ye nua no ma omo fi se omo betumi atu futu egu Ghana fo ani somebody mboni nyina mo boy enso so Ghana fo hwe se djuma fon we am beye no mo nkotena nchen na ye to abati a o what you must say enti na ye se we di to adwenem say sama wo ka kire Ghana fo eye ne o ma adwene nda ye say djuma we ya wo kan senka wo ye ya a benefit Ghana for common to abanti yaw that is one. Two ye ba your friend say Fred Blay asem any mama yarga nye Fred Blay asempo aye mama yarga asem ana meboa minua no sebe won previous o kasa ya won fa asem ni ntoto nsem ho mama yarga free hen o free boko that is my constituency formally na boko ye one of the constituencies are ewo ye ho what you must say mama yarga ono na ba ya sebi oba beyi Adamu Sakanda so we kai no a ano a member of parliament MPP time so onye Ghana ni oye Fulani ni odi dual citizenship in oba be di parliament if mama yarga na dey say ejuba die ne ba ye ama papa na ne kura mpo no yare da what you must say emra de mra Ghana mrana wodi di papa
no oyare wo UK
oyare wo UK what you must say Adamu Sakanda say dual citizen mu aye passport onsem wo mama yare ga ni gina so eno na ma wonya mfaso na wodi ba be MP ene na wo kodu ahono ma sebe krono eni nyansa kwan na aye so wodi bu Ghana fo na wo evade tax. Now don't forget, say special prosecutor no so no. Aye mate amidu no. Ono so free awo boko hwa. What am I say? Tinye se sebi oka asam keke. Ena nye se wota mama yarga. Opese di Ghana mra ye adwuma te se die na mama yarga gina ho se. Opese Ghana mra ye adwuma no. At that time na sebi what timi benefit ba be MP no. Tie ka sama ya yen kano kre no. Me yemba me defend no obi. Secondly, mama yarga you see what evade tax and they invite a special prosecutor who you call yourself to cramp say we a lawyer so we ni mra na mboa Ghana mra ye de to nchen and ye de ye na ye mra and I say party mra eye adwuma. You don't do that and I meboa they invite whoever you are when to me use parliamentary procedure say parliament me ko parliament area meanwhile so opeso to ufutu gu Ghana for any say parliament once we a parliamentary candidate no omuntimi invite to in any court and I say you cannot attend any court proceeding. I don't say if you look at the constitution you say we a weakness as a weakness say be you friend say bedi adanse na sa adanse no cry friend say bedi no na sa mre no wo call parliament and I say we free parliament ba eno na mrane eno enye den entimi mbobra na nye se yebo kwadu wa sebi assembly da wo na aso no se yebo kwadu se wadi bono we ena wodi sa ne man ba bi gina ho se wontimi nko court. You have no any right to do that but enye mwawa say the so called party your friend the PNDC NDC no omo fa Ghana mra enye adwuma they don't respect Ghana mra kentisa sebe ka mama yarga wonye sa audacity no so obeka kire wo yen Ghana for say womba mbambe yeden attend court proceeding na die eyen wanwane ne say sebe previous say ye kase ye the protection and I say ye pese ye bo obi ban and I say ye pese ye challenge special prosecutor no ofri boko mama yarga so free boko. What am I say? Now to set the bar and example for Ghanaians, we want to start it from there. Because there be a say, if you want to clean the house, start from your house. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So he's starting from his house as a special prosecutor. You didn't say, he say, you walk a dance, dear, HSC, or my Digana Yano.
Mama, what committed crime?
Of course, one committed crime. Why should he be on the toes? What must I say?
The punishment Ben after so.
And I make us say, no punishment. I walk Ghana, Ram say, will be Eddie Ghana nya. Huh? We put a position, put a position with the Ghana for nya.
Now, would you compare? To say the commentators, you contact him and say, would you compare Freddie Blair, you know? But you hold on, would you compare Freddie Brady and I saying? And I make us say
Fred Blade, yeah, can say commentators say a compare no. Anybody I would Fred Blade, a call special prosecutor, and I say or they no call any prosecuting court. Let's wait for those people say, and I say special prosecutor. So what they Fred Blair same so say Omra court and be no. What am I say? Because say they start compressing me age ma. Ne ye pese to 2 million home ka ade akoko ye politics. Ana who the image no. Because Sebi Fred Blair asem ya ebe na say ewo ho yi. Ye hu say ye say special prosecutor friend no. Ade no court. Asem si court we and the papa ne say won court no. Ana who the image no. It is all about say ye tititi. But to come out say special prosecutor has put a file written note said a statement about contain say
you remember what was yentie call Mr. Wa Pacho one friend after friend
good evening Pacho your friend Musa Adamu.
Oh Mr. Adamu, yeah, welcome Musa. Net is saying
na me Adamu no ye pa
na we dey enyumre what dey ekoso nyina
ai mate na mebo mi Deputy Communication Officer Nambasu, maybe a Oshakia. Na Matida, maybe a Yoma, Norman, Alcadesala. The Cobo, in a trivia near pipe or I am no more than a Humbra Basoma man. Na me per se, me can't send back nearly. Maybe a Yoma, you can't power back. Kufuwa mpaka ambagana. Idiwajua subi enonso. Enye ayaka ene kokachile sa panwa. Ukuta mtunoshe bena fo no dual citizenship. Okoya nyame pano suntuma aniya chino. Ene yeyi ni free ni dibe enye ayalga ene ema ya chino. Gana mra ene dino. Ni atoso ni ensanso papano basreo sababi a obetina biano men tina hon kase wako na enti achiri tu no waye yarefo mpacho any medical history you have no right whatsoever to put it in public domain and yet the right thing to do. Please don't do that again. Enti ni atoso bieno media say se o siesie o ya o plan. If you then now they say what you know, the papa special prosecutor was just here.
You are coming to respond to what? Look, don't attack me. Come to what they are telling. Discussing.
I am discussing what
don't come and repeat what I'm saying.
Hold on.
You are coming
Musa,
to condemn me because
no.
Musa,
go to the point and discuss.
Use your map. We use your.
Go to the point and discuss what we are discussing. Don't come on me.
Okay,
exactly. Go to the point and discuss.
Musa, the question is saying, Bacho.
Most oil, contamination, any secretary via oil no tonye.
Report.
A Minister of Energy or not so. Every time to the president, I feel the president is so and to resign here. Again, a special prosecutor all train.
Yo, thank you. Musa,
yeah, so sometimes you say, maybe you need to go to the point, and but near the member can now be narrated for. and you won't want to answer. What am I? Secondly, what I was trying to say in say, all what blame or whatever it is, said Emra or the mine. What am I say? And I was saying, your friend is saying, Emra one mine. Won't you mean Bambi didn't for saying me commentator until because of that mean cut massing just like that. You need to go to Emrano and a special prosecutor. The ECOS will appoint or special prosecutor will invite Blair. Blair will go there. Will invite Blair to court and answer with the Blair court with document came out like Mama Yarga Diana. Blair have to attend court. And I mean what? That is what we have to expect. So you may rush say you be say Blair Adintina or no seminal. Mama Yarga say no, Mama Yarga some they call court say. And Obiam Boada for, and I mean what? The Castle report, no me, no. And I listened to Mama Yarga some time ago. When this matter started, Mama Yarga came on Joy FM.
Hello.
What's my
hello.
Say,
hold on, why? Hold on.
Say, what Bibia, what evading tax, any nema. And I was like,
hold on, why? Hold on, please, hold on.
And I was like, yes. So we can some way what about here. Mingin say, what do you need to do in the say? For evidence in and find and found court because special prosecutor that they will call it. And yet, am I know that they will call you?
Okay, Yentie Cole. But you want a friend of refrain.
Good evening, Pastor from Nanama.
Oh, okay, Nanama.
Ladies.
Yeah, Nanado ladies, yes. Welcome. Pacho, and you roll Bibika.
The Namuna
Yo,
Mr. Isa Ayoma, Miami boss.
Yes.
Munyuma. And I ran to Munya for Munyuma.
That's me, Joso.
The person that said, really, and this is for one of Caio. I am watching me. Tetiano, and one day, and a special prosecutor. After my letter, I am not the court. It is the blade and I'm a little too long. And I won't touch it. Most of them can't this guy, I won't touch it. See, I can't say this before this time, and I don't touch it. Oh, I won't touch it. And we should know, and I blend this guy, and I won't touch it. Also said, yo, that's it. I know that fun, and this is what. We want to know, and I won't know. And the idea, and I also won't touch it. We must some as a macan. Somebody say, I can't mean Gruma. Wouldn't jump into conclusion.
But your question is
maybe question is a question, because to which he said, send it to follow. Yachi, Mama Ayaga. It's only telling the to a Blair. And I won't get some question, I'm not a prosecutor. Then I won't question it.
Yo, yeah, was it, yes, another caller. Why? Pacho one a friend of refrain.
Yes, good evening.
Oh, good evening.
Yes, Nana Ansan Obofo.
Oh, Nana Ansan Obofo, yeah, communication director UK for NPP. Nana, welcome. Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Me bache we there what did you cause na?
Oh, I am about to tell. Me chairman Isa Ayoma. And we say yeah. Or him that cry. And it don't nipa. Me Maria Conso, Louisa, Emerson, and I have a job. And you know crazy.
That's one why.
You see, let me see, I think say Musa Adamu also. Now, NDC for yesterday. And it's sad because being in power for 8 good years. Now we mean how our state institutions Juma. Now some catch a kind of voice say, yes, I'm on mandate to come and work. That is it. Clearly, you are incompetent. Mutiel, and you don't read. As someone can say, NDC what if he said, on one thing, every press conference, no correction, be a can, they just say there's correction. So that case I'm hoping about a boss as me. More NDC for you, what time I said, I command a special prosecutor, Martinamidu. More people at your group. And more petition to Martinamidu. Now, Martinamidu, or a special prosecutor, or a creature by law, and you will be anything tomorrow. So, and only pay on the same way, or some board, and a member home, The yes, I was what to master the Masma Kunti, night at the Chinese channel, or Sasimi also claim the NDC is behaving, claim be an incompetent political party. As the member of the Kaiser, a Kenobrata, born once and by John Mahama, a smoke, Ukita Blacqua, Emmanuel America, and was on fast security and ethics commission for America. Movies now says I can't John Mama boy or small black. A black American, a good thing. America for some kind of study, Nancy Yeni, they won't film. Whereas I want to film the same thing. You could see a standardized butter agreement with China, and the most strong who could do right, the choir for Jay, a banner on a new grassy for all. Martin the office, a officer, a independent, or in the Juma. It's so that's important. Yes, I don't know. Command not. What we don't want to say about a judge as a really bua, then if I can go at Yassi. Or but to the bossy, I investigate, I feel, say a meritus say, or the court or the court. Now, Mama Yariga, Modakai, start sitting occupying, now your former NPP UK chairman, Abu Sakani, the seat. No, Ayaga was say, creativity at the court. Satan Abu Sakani, no, your MP. Is to a friend of court and local. And there is a chrono our poor my Ghana to make that car but on duty. A criminal like I had and the court. The law of karma, time, the law of karma will get you. So NDC, they should learn. Almost of them no go to Obama. Say, you must take this vision engagement. Now, Abba, you investigation, thorough investigation. That's what you knew. Matiamidu. Matiamidu on your DPD. For your NDC, NDC mucho. Mama ya so pesa or a cleaner of court.
Nana, question how the mom is also a child is saying.
Yeah, but the man say NDC. The office of your law abiding. Don't go my Ghana. Don't go Ghana for Bonio Medino. Oh, we have and you will lose a child, most of a chrono, with the Yeska in the Motian. They say Emra as a more Mosajani and say parliamentary immunity. What immunity? Ayaga or you superhuman being as a wine? Or you superhuman being as a wine? This criminal boy would to a Karakasaba would get duty. Never saying you're in Ghana. Huh? I don't know wine. And he's a better lot of Ghana.
Yo,
NDC.
Yeah, that was
that they corruption. That's a long jump.
You remember
or some court. Yo. Kiriti about the Uni. Or would you care for America? It could be
Yada was Sibebre. Thank you.
Mr. Gula.
Mamilandi.
Oh, my.
Because we've said
money and San, yes, sir. Yabasa also. Yabasaba. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Money. Yabasa Manaba. Money and Sunny per to Koso.
Mr. Gula. Where MPP UK Communication Director in Casasa, no. Unim said, box 5 million contaminated oil now. We are, you know. Report number. This man, Unim, an answer for.
Report number.
Opinion. Yeah, Naminkasa.
Unim said report number.
Please, Maminkasa.
I hope so.
Ayoma. You allow me to talk. One can take Unim. Say, box. Box. 5 million contaminated. Ayoma. What buy was here? What buy the buy? And I buy. What buy? And I'm saying, and I'm saying, good for and I'm saying, one can say president here. I mean, or intellectually bankrupt. Why? Yes, attacking the now. Yes, you see, we're intellectually bankrupt. You see. I'm afraid, and I said, I'm ashamed of myself. So, for the president of Ghana. People like this are Babel Ghana. Unfortunate for people like as communication director. Boss oil. You did 200 1 year, 1 year. Not all Danny yes, the president. Look at the people. So no about the ruling Ghana. Oh, Kasama Yedin. So we don't make a sadia. You'll be good for this program. Proof there. This is the report. Report
Money analysis.
Then when I'm questioning you, you talk to Nana Akufo-Addo to insult the president. Over Ghana mine for all this work.
Maninian analysis.
Sebi. Money niya. Ayen Mahama.
Oh dear, Manin can answer. We are making here pen and paper now. Pen and paper.
No, I don't even need that because men person said they will be better with misleading Ghanaians, but insulting somebody. Say Nana Akufo-Addo odi.
O de mananya analysis we ya. Mr. Wa o wi ana wa kan.
No, na say untimi
Musa Isa mananya ne de o wi na o bibia kan o so wa kan de. Mr. Wa makwa.
Me da say Mr. Kula. Emi say wantie Nana Ansa Obofo voice we use say Araga a criminal. John Mahama.
Araga a free Araga ho. Mimi ni Araga si o. What you must say? Ayanga a small boy who is a stealer. Was I a from
money? Oya no waka o de. Mr. Wa, why?
Oya no call JM so. And I make just an Akufo-Addo were morally, intellectually bankrupt. Akufo-Addo. I'll use it again. Knowledgeable were bankrupt. President. It's here come me and I don't know I me say me again, but I'm ashamed of myself say Akufo-Addo president. You don't fit so be president. Keke anu keke. When you Photoshop president. Nana Akufo-Addo. Shenime happy in Ghana. Recently, Shenime okugu nemu ase. Okugu why embarrassing Ghanaians. Canada.
Ade na kwa.
Say who timi kasaka and say emma. One kasa wo chief of staff for Yoruba. Your chief justice. And you also gender minister Yoruba. No, I tell my why embarrassing Ghana for. You can't mean
okay,
say man, you don't confused. You don't
confused of what you are talking about. Okay.
Oh yeah, no why
you talk. You understand what I'm talking about?
What Chief Justice? What
this man don't fit so be president.
You see, you are just making a useless propaganda.
Why you super duper incompetent?
You see, you are just making a useless propaganda.
I will use it again.
A TF1 to swing himself.
What did you so we can Ghana?
Isa mani wie o wi ara waka o be
you see this guy on.
Recently,
o de mani wie o wi ara na waka o de
recently, na before the MBB headquarters, Okosunyi, he cried. Adaya, some ministers know
why about your party?
Yes, I can tell you more and more. Even 110
running the boots.
110 ministers.
You're just beating around.
I said no for that party. So let me drop this big issue. Nana Akufo as a president, 110 ministers. He himself saw it on graphic. Nanado,
you see, look at what
you call this also a president.
You see,
Cheneme Koso Ghana.
You see, look at what it's just.
Hello, Mr. Kula. Good evening.
Good evening. Mr. Pacho, why? Mr. Wa, Pacho.
Isa. Because you are in
president.
You
are too aggressive.
No, he is also too aggressive.
Isa, Remy. Isa, yentie de o kanotie. Yo, me ba
the best way to defend is to attack.
Exactly.
David, sister, me ba cha o question is Mr. Wa, why? Mr.
Mr. Kula, Omega Moye. Ya me shira mo pa.
Isa.
Isa Yoma, so one come around to if you
Mr. Sister.
Cross the carpet.
No. Sister, Isa, may tie de o kano. Isa, may tie.
Disrespect me, I will disrespect.
Please, David, sister.
You disrespect me.
Sister, yedi, Isa,